The true plasma lighter is compact, rugged, and rechargeable. Micro USB rechargeability eliminates the need for lighter fluid, and its high visibility blue top makes it easy to spot, regardless of where life takes you. Let's get it out and take a look. To open the package, separate the cardboard backing from the plastic case surrounding the lighter. Inside, you'll find the plasma lighter, the detachable lanyard, and the micro USB to USB charging cable. More on that in a minute. The plasma lighter measures just under 2 3/4 inches high, just over 1 3/4 inches wide, and 3/4 of an inch thick, and weighs in at 3.2 ounces. It might be small, but it's packed with power. To operate, lower the clasp on the side of the protective locking cover and press the release button to lift the blue top. Once fully open, press the button to light the dual beam crossed arc. This 4-electrode crossed arc design creates a larger field for better access than a simple 2-electrode design. As a safety feature, when the button is pressed and held continuously, the arcs will automatically turn off after 6 to 7 seconds. The plasma lighter can be reactivated by simply releasing the button and pressing it again as needed. On the back of the plasma lighter, you'll see the micro USB charging port. To charge the lighter, simply plug in the included micro USB cable to the charger and the USB end to your power block. With the top open, if you look just behind the electrodes, you'll see an LED indicator light. When the button is being pressed, it lights solid blue while the electrodes are actively discharging. When the battery is less than 10% charged, it flashes rapidly for 2 seconds, then turns off. While the product is charging, it lights solid. When charging is complete, the indicator light turns off. The plasma lighter will obtain a full charge in approximately 1 hour, depending on the power block that you use, and will produce up to 300 activations on a single charge. The rugged ABS rubber and zinc alloy construction is IP56 water and dust resistant and impact resistant up to 1 meter. Also, the plasma lighter will light at wind speeds up to 80 miles per hour, making it windproof. The detachable lanyard attaches by inserting the thin loop around the plastic hole on the side and threading it back over the rest of the lanyard. Also, the lanyard has a quick release feature, so you can detach the lighter while still wearing the lanyard. To release, pinch the 2 sides while pulling the lighter away from the clip. After use, clip it back on by clicking it back into place. From construction to function, the plasma lighter delivers. With its water, dust, and impact-resistant design and windproof plasma arc, you'll never be